this year's theme is fashion. So, and complete with catwalks and fashion shows and even some surprise collaborators. The great thing about fashion is it's a part of everyone's life. Whether or not you're into classic colors or bright and bold prints, there's something for everyone. So this year we're going to take a look at what's popular, what's new, and there's always something for everyone.
Good licensing models really take their cues from fashion. And ultimately, a great style guide can provide great assets for a licensee to create extraordinary product in the category that they represent.
We are doing a fashion show and a keynote with Products of Change and the United Nations to really highlight the importance of brands trying to deliver against the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals before 2030.
License is so huge, there's so many different elements to license, and fashion is just one element of that. So a lot of the time licensed toys comes first and then homeware and fashion kind of follow. So having a fashion focus almost highlights how fashion can showcase the product.
Fashion is at the core of everything you see around. I think everything on the runways trickles down to trend that go to retailers, licensees, and then to the high street, and it's essentially what we see and we purchase.